Alright, so like nobody near me right now, I know like that. I never do, whatever. Individual swag. Alright, obviously 6ix9ine is based off of a Bleach character. I'm gonna show you in a minute. Zodia, go crazy. I see reference to John Jeezy. I already know it. You can tell that based on history. And then Zeta 005. 015 is 6ix9ine no words and Ocean no words and Jazz no words. The same person. She a girl now. I know. 05 is for swag, beta, alpha, etc. So he knows science like that. Yes, he's very intelligent. But Zero is what. Let me show Zero. I tell him his name is Kashi. You do this. Sorry, y'all. I can't cut it off. Dang, that's why he don't do this. I'm sorry. I found a way to blur it out real quick. Zero Mega Man. I do it twice, so I got tab. You do it in the middle of the movie, in the middle of the video, you can do it. And then he would know that because this is Zero right there. Right. So, yes. Then I don't know, also he's like Bleach like that because I go straight to trivia though if I read the whole story of him. And I also noticed that he's probably the one that like talk about some anime. That's very deep psychology. Yes, it's very deep psychology. It's not just cut and dry like that, no. But it can be, it's like Crash, the movie. I know you watch Crash because you watch Sauce on your face. And Sauce is the most psychological anime, well, you know what I mean, movie. It came out at every point. It's always plot twists, always twists and turns. It's almost thrilling to see. It's almost thrilling to see how you're going to end up. Yeah, you can work your back, forth, or in the middle. You always miss stuff. But you catch it again. He's like, I knew it. Yeah, you want to know people. Watch this too, automatic. But then, like, let's make a whole damn thing about this. You already know mixtape these. I ain't no close friend to nobody, but I'm with the shit. I'm stepping a whole. I'm gonna name it Era, Era Uno, something like that. I don't play the track. I'm going to say, hold on. Yeah, I'll read this right here. Like, yeah. I love sketches like this. Of course, I'm a scientist. I love sketches like this. This is sketches, yes. The first part of anything, I'll read whole books like this. If books on sketches, yes. And then I'll read all that in a minute. I guess so. Guess he turned to, yes, obviously he was Professor Tula after a while. And then, let's see, what's the motion? White to me love interest has never been official state that Zero had mental feelings in the child. Us Zero regard his. Alright, so most emotion. I don't know what that's about. Let's find out what his character like. That's what I'm quoting. And look who I found wandering around Mega Man, my friend. Here's a small problem with you. It seems that you let Zero die. You're not too happy about that. Now I think it's the time that you raise her. That's Sigma. And the big one is a ball. Another big one, another ball one. I think it's a big one though, yes. And then it's gonna be out to the 80s. So it's the 80s. Zero been out to the 80s. And you count Maverick Hunters. And he looked like a glam rock star. The hair that and Axl Rose. But Axl also knows the character on his app. And man, all rock stars. It sounds a lot anime, anything based on somebody or something that's in reality. Who's that Pokemon? Zero. Pretty much. But I did some in real life to do. Man, I know for a fact. I see the P-Hub link. For a fact, I was Kashi visit off this right here. Also, damn tripping. Damn, it's telling already. They're telling already you're a fan of all. You might as well be a character for real. I'm tripping. Oh, I'll do this one. You don't care though, fan. I'm gonna go fan of two family. You always lead. Well, that's out. Okay, let's see. Bleach. 6'9", 6'8". So he try to be unique with it. And then what do is sit there on space. I don't know that. Go up. Well, I read the manga, so I don't know for sure. It is not a record. I don't know. I think he a soldier, right? It's a police soldier. You watch the anime, you film with Scotty, and you would know. You get up Bleach 6'8" on space. Really, you do anime people with tattoos on their face. You can do it too at that too. So I can't really find it between Bleach anime, so Bleach lore. Anime, cares with tattoos. Let's go. Let's get out too. She from after that? She from after that stuff, huh? Yeah, that's a little tattoo to me. Majority of the time. They always the big three. Always the big three. That's fun though. Okay. It's a little here. It's a little here. That's Curve Lagoon. That's he actually think he is something. He gets high off like torture people. Yeah, something like that. They go stronger to fight on. Something like that. Y'all up in Japan with Royce, so and then his cohorts. Yeah, so we're here. That's Royce right there for sure. Y'all know that though, how he acts. That ain't Quinn Type brother though. No, we're not. And Quinn Pipe is the money that that's just this is you know what I'm saying, that's well, let's put money in there to it's Kevin Bacon, but that's not at all. All I didn't know is he has Masamune, so the more fame he has, then the more powerful he gets. Right, so he just watched the whole game. I finished annoying him the whole time. Then he went the whole game then. That's what it was. I didn't know she was in there. That's probably a filler arc. Yeah, anyways. But yeah. I didn't know that was a tattoo. I was like, I guess I can rabbit holes. We got rabbit holes. I didn't even know that was a hair tattoo. I didn't even know it was left one, and I was, I found out was she has, was arguably the most close tattoo on the list. So it's not left forearm, close to that was I don't know. It was knife fast. I thought it was a blade or something, but it could have been, no, a Rocky, it could have been like some kind of string or something like that. Like a needle, like a thread needle, yeah. So good. They will silk, they will use silk as caterpillars, so I mean, that makes sense too. Crow's foot, that's Rob Banks right there, pretty much, yes. And I bet he on this somewhere. Gotta be, it's a long list, so you know what I'm saying? I want to go to rabbit hole, and you don't have time. Well, I pace with my girl. That's why Slick on that tattoo. That's Slick around on Royce is that girl. But then she starts that baby, but I don't care. Probably mad at you. I don't know. I'll forget. I'll review that later. That's also Lori. Yeah, she used to be. Well, this is anyway, that actually is not real. But anyways, yeah, close enough. Y'all think so, but no. Where's that? I hate that we've been up a trail since day one. I know he's doing something, and then that's Slick Royce entirely. Well, dog form. Camila means I mean it. Royce K, Avex, I mean it. Yes. That's Royce too. That's what got me so heated. So you made me a girl, because there's so relatability there was. Then you mess up one part of that Revy character entirely. The cop, she bowed out to a cop. No, that's what that email fries. I definitely gonna lay you down if you call myself with that, because you already corrupt. So what you gonna do? Blackmail? Yes, ASAP. The blackmail part is correct, but her, but she a woman of choice for blackmail because supposed to. It's a tactic. Anyway, where at? I don't know yet. 60 something. I don't forget his name. I got the book over there though. I was sick of get that one too. This is about. Yeah, that's the story of the guy called Castle trying to go to the past, trying to go to something where you eliminate something before it grows. So he's like that. You trying to eliminate something before it grows. So let's take it right here, and then you know what I'm saying. Do something. This chopper is in the middle. This chopper is in the middle. I do something with it that is unique to me, right? And then I'll get tatted. But then if I felt like someone, I was, you know what I'm saying, I'll say fire could be 6 days only though. Creating the story, that's it. But I felt like someone should stuff me out, stuff my flame out before able to grow my flame. Then I'm getting that tattoo on my back in my style. So that's what I get. And then that's the worst too. I don't know whatever. That's true, man. What did I don't know. See, he in the cut. Slick you would never suspect it. So long can get you the nerve. It made the hurt. Was a mortal scene for all these wannabe hood goons. It's a mortal scene. I don't know these cops got tattoos now either. Like, that don't make sense to Royce. Like, why you got tattoos when you a cop? You should have it. Exactly. That was abstracting. Where you gonna get it? I think you got a couple of them because you're in the military or whatever, but I mean, what last time you lived in got any tattoos? You said none, and you should have them. CEOs get on nerves. I say, actually, been in there a long time. You should get one little cop with. You feel you've been in there with them. That's a story from the day, though. They said gaming system like that. It's gonna be too cool for high school. But, it's a 6 on his face, 6'8". I don't know. I'll post it later on. You know, do the bleach. The book over there. I swear I found him. I swear where you at. Tattoo face, where you at? I can't find you. Oh, there's no. I'm mad. Where you at? They took out. Oh, I swear too bad. But no, it's not a T on it. It's not a T. I swear I found them. Oh, it's so mad. You betrayed me right there. You betrayed me, Google. Google, no. Google, I told you don't say list too. Why he pop up? Oh, they got me, didn't they? 6'9" right there on my face. Dang, son. Y'all whack. Y'all whack with that one. Dang, son. Hey, wait. Sorry if you hood right there. Yeah. Listen to that. So, of course, it's on face too. And then that's 6'9", so you got from Bleach. And yeah. And then that's all I know that though. Slovakia, I told you about that already. He's very intelligent because he blew on America at all. Too intelligent. He digitally was to Russia and then signed label F them in Russia and he blew over there. Me and Bill was convert because he's in the United States and boom, he blew up. Then I know about his history because his titles all like that. Fifi means Fifi Dawson. I already know he was part of the rock music. Fifi Dawson makes rock music. And bam. Osiris was some fake dude, one of y'all. Because Osiris means what? Skateboard shoot. Everyone knew that. Oh, I mean, what's like, he's very knowledgeable everything. Right. Probably credit. Those hookahs, bro. Like Tyler shoes. It's like shoes you got on Tyler. Somebody told me they had shoes about like Tyler. Like, they told me there was some kind of Tyler shoes. Yeah, they lying. Maybe so. I'm supposed to get a pair of those to be 2000s, but Tyler, I'm telling you, Dion, I'm telling you, some shit like that. Tyler shoes, golf floor. I'm so mad, like sketches looking. sketches looking. You kinda did jot the swag. Look, let me see so. Yeah, did you? But see, now I'm gonna know that. What are the face shoes? Maybe so. Yeah, I would know that though. But you've been a skateboarder, commercials one too. So I would know you got those shoes from. I know you got from some boom, bam, right there. Nice is a homage. It was better actually. The traction, but I want to pair of those. It's clean. But so I'm broke, so let me just get a little way. I want a little taste of the wave, Tyler. I know I probably get a ready to order, but I want a taste of the wave. I buy Tyler, I buy Dayon LaFleur, the flower. I get it later on. We're gonna mix the Rolls Royce and Dayon LaFleur, LaFleur. But then I'm like, well, I got a whole damn page dedicated. Y'all like, I can't even get a fan made page. You got 1 billion views. And I know I'm being stupid. He made that, yeah, because I was American. And a psychiatric boy making stupid on the damn computer from like 2000, early 2000, HP on it and everything. Ooh, Kanye. Right, so you saw the Kanye. Ooh, don't sound with Kanye. Right, works all over it. Alright, so Lift Forever, he ain't I don't even know. I guess not. But Royce man, legendary forever. I don't want to live forever. So y'all love that Live Forever stuff. Y'all invincible. Royce man, legendary forever. He peeped the game out. So why he on Wayne on? He think about real hard. And then he do a strong social media presence on Instagram. Alright, whatever. Probably. So I don't know what he got going on. But one thing I know, how he got still in I can't even 18 on Twitter. I'm mad. Who chased Chica? Find that out. I'll dig for that because I don't know that. Why the one thing he tattooed up under the username Real Chase Ortega. That's all it is about. Gustav Elijah, I give your name about it. It's Hebrew for Allah. Allah. Yeah, he's Allah. Air. Yes, it's Norsec. And Eli, it's Jerusalem on that. Obviously, Gustav is what Russian, and this is German. Actually, Gustav. So the proof is y'all said the same thing. And Europa. Let's say Europa. He was originally from Pennsylvania, but he grew up in Long Beach. You know, his mom that his dad was a Harvard professor, so I know he been had money. And why he been using it too? He said Skid Row, Skid Row. Right, but he said Skid Row. I know he did Skid Row. Lil Pete, what's his Lil Pete Skid Row? You know one thing at all. This. I better be on Twitter. I better be on Twitter. I better be on Twitter. Sports on Twitter. That's what it's oh. Yo. But you it is. So when they got on, they don't want to live in Skid Row no more. Tracy was like, "What's Skid Row? Echo Park as well." Like y'all is tripping. Y'all can say something on Twitter. We can go to Echo Park. Skid Row. That's my favorite beat. It's like all the junk. That's all it is. Oh, it's it. Oh, you want me like $50? You want me like $100? All he doing is say the same thing y'all do is say. Right there it says Skid Row. What? Skid Row. Yes. Royce actually had to about that. He doing it on purpose. He mad. But my story gonna be credible anyway. Cause we know he like, man, this shit is something else. But in this little tourney of Pete the Game versus Lil Pete. I knew he'll ride though. I let him ride while y'all identify that easier than Royce. I got death notes with my list up. You look at him, right? Yep. Y'all told me blickies and I said it's cool now, y'all. And then he knows all that information. He researches people. Honestly, just say music. That's what I get false about you. A lot of y'all like he look happy as all kid. He too happy looking, bro. What's wrong he have? Whole computer in the background, I use it every day. And y'all relate to this too, cause I was nice to Daddy ate my fast. And then he got a little history of holding a guitar. See, they played it at all. How you turn that to that? Now you know how you get whole images for songs. And look at it, it's good. One picture told me everything. Halloween got something. It told me everything. He been a popular kid, bro. He's been there. How you turn emo then? Exactly. Emo supposed to be outcasts, underdogs. That's one stuff. How he had friends. We had this, we had that. Well, why he tell you, bro? Daddy ate my fast, and now I'm mad. He's on the rise. Daddy. Y'all money babies. Old night day, he turned to that. He turned to savage. He turned savage. They had a little Wayne saying worse than it. He looked too happy. This bitch worse than night. He's a little blank minded. Let me show you my picture. Let's peep the game out versus Lil Pete. Let's do this dumb shit real quick. It's dumb. You know, let's peep the game out, bro. I see all the pictures. I was like, oh, okay. I just went on. He looked too happy. Okay. Probably got tagged with Sklar. He won't ride on Royce too. I don't know. I was tagged with Sklar. I don't know why. I don't know if his name was Sklar, Royce. So how you get tagged? How you he's so prevalent around Royce? Right. The name is Prince was that. The whole thing is messed up right here. I can't play on music because I don't. They do it right here. That's the style you use. Yeah, but then hold on. Really, I spent styles is up to ante. I started from a real deep voice to go higher. I thought about it, and it works. It does, right? If people do it, right? Do the future too. But then it's really hard to get your vocals right if you don't master each stage. Now you tell them that because they don't know that. Where that? Oh, I forgot. That's why I can lose and win. I'll learn more as I go along. I call that book, yeah. I got that book, you know what I'm saying? Oh, I'm supposed to have my clothes. And even in this era, this style, I'm supposed to have my whole clothes. And then you know I'm supposed to have my clothes. But where that? That's how anything I was. Now I'm going to do cycle war problems and some more stuff going on. What picture though? I don't know. It's over there. I tell from one picture. It's right there. So there you go. I was just dumb. He's just dumb. Okay, he doesn't have you know. He's just dumb. I look for this. I'm gonna check it down. Yeah, I just look dumb. I'm just dumb. Look at this. I'm just dumb. It's blank. It's all out. It really is. Look at his face. Okay. He's smiling like that. What's over his mouth? That's it. So picture us, okay? He's just dumb. He's too heavy. He's just dumb. He's too heavy. Exactly. Nah, they go. I told y'all I started a blank slate. It lined up. Yes. He was baby. He's still dumb too. That was no hitter right here. He know what he doing. He got a whole flying plan. Who is this little bit dumb? It's a baby. Rise for the little people. Rise and cry. The damn it was a cry lord. Cry lord. Cry lord. He's gonna take off. He's gonna use it so dumb.